children, good morning. How are you? Yes, you are fine. Yes, we have started our FA2 revision. From today, we are going to do FA2 revision. Yes, how many lessons are there first of all? Yes, there are two lessons. Yes, fourth class social children, fourth class children, social, two lessons are there. Which one? The third one and the fourth one. Yes, the fourth one children, take your workbooks, page number 15. Yes? Yeah. Multiple choice questions. Understanding rivers. The lesson name is Understanding Rivers. What are smaller rivers which join the main river called? What it is? The options are given there. Four options are there. A. Distributaries. B. Tributaries. C. Sediments. D. Delta. Which one is correct in this? Yes. B. Option B. Yes, tributaries. Yes, and the next one, children. Which part of a river falls in low areas? Which one? The options are given there, four children, and which one is correct? The A, creek. B, peninsula. C, mouth. D, source. Which one is correct? Yes, C, mouth. Yes, the second one. And the third one, children. The place where a river begins its journey is called its source. What it is? It is source. Yes? Okay? And the place where a river begins its journey is called its source. Yes? And the fourth one, children. Soil brought down from mountains by rivers is called stilt. Is called stilt. Yes? Understood, children? Yeah. And very short answer questions. Where does a river slow down during its journey? Where? In the middle areas. In the middle areas. Middle areas. Yes? Okay, children? Yeah. Next one, children. Name the streams that are formed when a main river breaks up. What it is? The answer is distributaries. Answer is distributaries. Distributaries. Yes, distributaries. And the next one, children. Define delta, how it is formed. How it is formed. A delta is usually a triangular piece of land. A delta is a triangular piece of land. A delta is a land made of sedimentary deposits left by a river flowing into a large water body. Yes, a delta is usually a triangular piece of land. Yes, and delta is land made of sedimentary deposit left by a river flowing into a large water body. Yes, and the next one, children, what it is? The next one is circle the correct word. Yes, and rivers provide a natural way to travel by. Which one is correct in that? You have to circle, children. Okay, the eighth one. It is the rivers provide a natural way to travel by boats. By boats. Yes, and the next ninth one, children. Dash help to hold water and generate electricity. Which one is correct there? Dams. Circle that. This one is eighth one and this one is ninth one. Yes, and the next one, in the high areas the river is usually dash, means which one is correct in that? You have to circle. Yes, it is fast. It is fast. And the 11th one, children. Dash is a recreational activity done in rivers. Which one? Farming or swimming? It is swimming. Recreational. Yes, you have to circle. Okay, understood, children? 12th one, children, mention two ways in which rivers are helpful to people. How does pollution of rivers affect these activities? Means mention any two ways which rivers are helpful to people. Means how the rivers are helpful to the people. You have to write. And how does the pollution of rivers affect these activities? Means the answer, children, rivers are helpful to people as they provide water for agriculture. The water is, the rivers will provide the water for agriculture. The rivers are helpful to people as they provide water for agriculture. They are also a source of food. They are the source of food. Pollution harms fishes in the river and also the crops. It harms for the fishes and also the crops. The pollution will harms. Yes. And the next one, children, the 13th one. Ancient civilizations like the Harappan civilization started near rivers. Explain why rivers were important for the growth of such civilizations. Yes, river provide water for drinking, agriculture and for other household works. Yes, the river provide water for drinking, agriculture and other household works. Household works means daily which we are using in our house. Yes, and many plants and trees grew near the rivers. Near the rivers, these plants, the plants and trees grow. Okay, and therefore many ancient civilizations started near rivers. Near the rivers, the old civilizations were started. Yes, the next one, the long answer question, children. Guess the activities shown in the given pictures. Identify the purpose for which rivers are used in these pictures. You have to see the pictures and write. Yes, see this picture, children. It was used for parasailing. It is an recreational activity. Yes, and the next one is irrigation for the agriculture. Yes, it is used for agriculture. And the next one, children, here the floating market, transportation, it is used for transportation. And here fishing, it is the source of food. Fishing, source of food. Yes, the next one, children, the 15th one. Which of the following is not a reason for river pollution? Which one? The option D is correct in this. Yes, the dolphin is playing in the river. And the next, the A, wastewater from industries. B, plastic thrown into rivers. Immersing, what is that? Idols. Yes, these three are not correct, children. The D, the dolphin playing in the river, is correct. D, option D. Which one is that? 15th one. Option D. Yes. And the next one, children, the 16th one. For which of the following activities do we not use rivers? First one is farming. The second one is swimming. The third one is fishing. And the fourth one is tricking. Which one is correct in that? Yes. D. Tricking, which is not used with water. Yes. And the next one, children, the 17th one. One of the largest lakes in Bangalore, the Bilendur Lake, has spilled tox forth many times since 2015. In 2017, many industries around the lake were shut down. Why do you think that happened? Why this was the shutdown? The lake was shut down. Why? Because the industries dumped their waste directly into the lake water. The waste was dumped into the lake water. The waste was dumped into the lake. Yes, into the lake water. And directly they used to dump. Due to this, the water is polluted. What will happen? The waste is dumped into the lake water, means what will happen? Here, this is polluted. Yes, to decrease pollution, the industries around the lake were shut down. To decrease means to do the less, to avoid this, the pollution of the lake water. What they did, the industries around the lake were shut down. Yes, And the 18th one, children, look at the word splash below using terms from the word splash. Show the journey of a river. Yes, the high areas is the source, the middle areas tributary, river bank, distributary, low areas, mouth, delta. Okay, children? Children, 19th answer. Mention two reasons why we need to look after the rivers. Describe two ways in which you can help to look after the rivers. Yes, we should look after the rivers as the stilt brought by rivers is good for farming. Rivers also provide us drinking water, which we cannot live with that. Yes, we can help to look after rivers by not throwing waste such as plastic into them, not immersing idols or not polluting the river water. Yes, and I'm repeating the answer once again. See here, children. We should look after the rivers as the stilt brought by rivers is good for farming. Yes, and the rivers also provide us the drinking water. Without the water, we cannot live. Drinking water, yes. We can help to look after the rivers by not throwing the waste such as plastics into them, the plastic things into them, and not polluting the, what is that? Not polluting the river water. Yes, and the next one, children, the 20th answer. Find out the river that is closest to your home. Yes, and write the length of that and in which state it is, and mention if any dams are built on that. You have to write on your own, children. This is very easy answer. On your own you can write. Yes, for example, I am telling you, river Narmada flows closest to my home. Yes, the length of this river is around 1312 kilometers. It passes through the states of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Yes, Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on this river. Means I have given the example for you people how to write this answer and how to prepare yourself. Yes, okay, children, read properly, do the revision properly. Yes, and get good marks, children. You are very good children. We know that you will get good marks. Okay.